Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, let's see how to calculate the concentration of an unknown from the standard graph, usually done for ELISAs for scientific work. So here we have an concentration and OD. So just go to insert a scatter plot first. So just a minute. So just click on any of the point and just right click, go for add thread line, go for linear one and just click on display equation and chart. So this is the equation to calculate the unknown concentration from our standard graph. So this is a just imaginary one, not an actual one. So from this y equals mx plus c, we can find the unknown values. So what I do is just a small formula. I'll just do it. So we have the y values, so we are going to find the x value. So we're just going to click equals this value minus the value of c, which is 0.0663. Just enter, just drag it to find the rest of them. So next equals this value divided by the m value, which is 0.068. So when you do this calculation, we'll find the concentration of the unknown samples. It's very simple. Just as a demo, I'm just showing it to you. You can use this for the actual concentrations. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.